G'day everyone, Wesley here from Trusted Pest Management. Today we are coming to you from Kenmore, and yes, we are doing a rather large job. It's a Homeguard ProtectaCote job. Why are we using ProtectaCote? Well, I'll show you in a second. However, the client's desire is to actually enclose the retaining wall. So if you have a retaining wall that is part of your habitable area or your home, and you want to enclose it, you have to actually consider termite protection. So let's go see what we've done. So you can see the fiberglass there. So that was the fiberglass installed. And then we went primer first, Homeguard primer, and then we did the fiberglass. Now we've stuck that with adhesive glue, and now you can see this is us painting. So you can see the joins in there, so that's what we're sealing. There's a gap down below. You can see the boys doing their thing, painting the wall for termite protection using ProtectaCote. Now ProtectaCote tends to be a bit more expensive because it's more labour intensive. However, it's versatile when it comes to being able to use it for enclosing walls and whatnot. It's actually quite a large area. You can see all through there. Beautiful. Anyway, that's your Homeguard ProtectaCote to retaining walls, to enclose the wall. Use the best, trusted Pest. Yeah, it comes with a 50-year life expectancy too. Not bad.